Alright guys, so today I'm going to be using these teardrop rhinestones. I have blue and orange. We're going to be using these on this Popsocket with UV Resin. I get this from Hobby Lobby. I have a video about it if you want to check that out. You get a great deal if you know when to go. I have some little cups to mix my glitters in. I think I'm just going to be using this glitter today. I love it. It's so dimensional. Very beautiful colors. Actually, I think I have one that has bigger circles. Let me see. I might mix the two and then that'll give it. Alright, so I managed to pick this up at my Michael's before it closed. And this has a little bit bigger circles. So first I'm going to mix a little bit of this confetti with the UV resin, and we'll spread it on here. We'll let it dry, and then we'll do a second coat and put the rhinestones on. Oh, that's a lot. Alright, so I'll just coat the bottom. We don't need that many because we're going to be using the little ones too. That's going to look super holographic. I wish you guys could see that a little better. Alright. So, use gloves if you are going to get this on your skin. Have had practice and I typically do not get it on me. If I do, I'll stop and go wash my hands. But I use these sticks and popsicle sticks and stuff to keep it off of my body because it is toxic. Alright, so I'm going to put that on there, and now I'm going to just dump this right in the middle and around. And you see it spreads itself out. You can kind of help it. So glittery. Put a little bit more. So I'll get this mixed a little bit. But as you can see, it kind of just spread itself out. The glitter kind of is heavy enough to help. And then I'm going to go around the outside and bring it back. And then it will just kind of fall back to place on its own. Alright, now I'm going to go put this under the UV light. Alright, now the back is complete. So let's see how we can fit these on here. Oops. Okay, so I like how this is turning out. I think I'm going to make a flower, maybe? Haha, that one is perfect. Alright guys, so I have my heart here, and I'm going to put this little butterfly on here. I just take a small amount, not as much as before, because we just want to make a thin layer for them to adhere to. It doesn't have to be a lot. And we'll just spread it around. Alright, we put that down. Now let's start on the rhinestones. This is a process. Oh my goodness. So if you drop one in the resin, you don't want to use it because it will make it look a lot different than it's supposed to. It'll lose that three-dimensional look. Alright guys, what do you think? Isn't that so rainbowy? How many rainbows can fit into one pop socket? Amazing. I love it. I didn't even plan that. That's just kind of how my art comes to me. I just experiment and think of little items that I have. So now I'm just going to put a couple more rhinestones on here and we are going to be done. Going to dab one little dab and little dab over here, and then we're going to smooth it over the butterfly, and this will just help reduce fingerprints, and it will help me put the last layer of rhinestones. I feel like I should be sitting here talking about something, but I don't know what. Maybe one day I will figure that out. So I'm just going to use a few more of these. I really love these little ones. I put them in almost all my projects. Alrighty. I think that is how I want it. Everything is shining and glistening. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Alright, so I'm going to get this under the UV light, and then we'll show you the finished product in daylight. I'll take it outside. Thanks for watching, you guys. I really appreciate it. I am like so amazed that I went from just 50 subscribers to over 100 in just a short amount of time. So thank you guys so much. I didn't even imagine that 100 people would want to watch me. If you're here for the flowers, please let me know that if you want more flower gardening. If you're here for the crafts, let me know. If you're here for divination or psychic readings, let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for your support.